Happy birthday to legendary actor Darius McCray, aka Eddie Winslow, legendary country singer Tim McGraw, and most importantly, happy heavenly birthday to Gigi Bryant, who would have been an adult. Gigi would have been a grown ass woman today, 18 years old. Rest in peace to Big Hawk, 18 years later. Happy anniversary to SpongeBob, 25 years. Happy anniversary to the finale of Martin, airing on Fox. It's your boy X-Men 1991 coming to you back again, finally with another food review. This food review, I am finally here to review the chocolate chip pancake flavor of Pop Tarts. I'm sorry it took me so long to finally come on here and do a review of this. This is exactly what it looks like. The chocolate chip pancake Pop Tarts flavor. It came out recently. I'm like, I gotta buy this and come on and do a review on it. Sorry it took me so long to finally come on and do a review on this. Let's see how this tastes. Tastes like chocolate chip pancakes. I'm watching a game right now. It's game 5 of the Eastern Conference quarterfinals between the Heat and the Celtics. Celtics lead the series 3-1. This is do or die for the Heat. If the Heat win, then it's game 6 back in Miami. But if they lose, just like the Lakers, their season will be over. Right now it's Boston 62, Miami 41. Anyway, doesn't taste too bad. So, I'm going to give this a 7.9 out of 10. And I'm going to give it a B. It's the chocolatey chip pancake flavor of Pop Tarts. If you haven't tried it, I would recommend it to you. So that's my review of the chocolate chip pancake Pop Tarts. Now let's talk about this show right here. Thanks to my guy Beanie Gene 94, today has been 20 years since Megas XLR premiered on Cartoon Network. And this was still during Cartoon Network's Powerhouse era. This series revolves around two teenage slackers, Mechanic Coop and his best friend Jamie, who find a mecha robot from the future called Megas. Mechanized Earth Guard attack system in a New Jersey junkyard. That's basically what the show was about. This show only ran for 2 seasons. Oh my goodness. From May 1st, 2004 to January 15, 2005. And it aired part of Toonami. Despite of the show having low ratings, at least it received positive reviews. And it was ranked number 4 on ToonZone's Tunes of the 2000s Top 5 Cartoon Network Originals. There have been various fan efforts and petitions to revive the show since it was canceled. Cartoon Network made a big mistake canceling this show, bro. Megas XLR did not deserve to end way too early. But anyway, that's going to wrap up my quick rant of my review of the chocolate chip pancake Pop Tarts and celebrating 20 years of Megas XLR premiering on Cartoon Network. I'm about to get back watching this Heat Celtics game. If you're new here, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell for my next video. for my next food review, give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment down below. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. Until then, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. No more talk. Happy 20th anniversary to Megas XLR premiering on Cartoon Network.